Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our online session. I am Dr.Selima Sultana, Associate Professor of Pharmacology and Therapeutics. Today my topic of discussion is macrolides. Macrolides, macro means large and leads mean lacton ring. Macrolides are compounds having a macrocyclic lacton ring containing 14 or 16 atoms to which deoxy sugars are attached. Important macrolides are erythromycin, azithromycin and clarithromycin. Among these, erythromycin is natural and is obtained from streptomycin. Clarithromycin and azithromycin are semisynthetic derivatives of erythromycin. The prototype drug is erythromycin, which consists of two sugar moieties attached to a 14-atom lacton ring. Now, erythromycin, which is a macrolide antibiotic, consists of two sugar moieties and attached to a 14-atom lacton ring, is bacteriostatic in low concentration and may be bactericidal in high concentration. It is poorly soluble in water but dissolves readily organic solvents. It is dispensed as various esters and salts and its half-life is 2 hours. Route of administration is oral and parenteral. Now the pharmacokinetics of erythromycin. Its absorption. Erythromycin is acid labile and must be administered with enteric coating or with acid resistant substances such as stearates and stars, which are somewhat better absorbed. Food interferes with its absorption. And distribution, it is widely distributed to all tissues but cannot enter into the CSF. Limited distribution profile than azithromycin and clarithromycin. Metabolized in the liver, excretion is hepatobiliary excretion via bile and feces, cannot be given in liver disease but can be given in kidney disease. Erythromycin is the first choice of drugs for diphtheria and whooping cough, useful in penicillin allergic patient. Erythromycin is enzyme inhibitor. Now the preparations of erythromycin are erythromycin stearate or succinate and erythromycin stolate. Erythromycin stolate can cause cholestatic hepatitis, so stearate or succinate preparation may be preferred. Dose is 250 to 500 mg 6 hourly. Now the indications of erythromycin or macrolides is diphtheria, whooping cough, pharyngitis, tonsillitis, non-gonococcal urethritis, respiratory tract infection, community acquired pneumonia, penicillin allergic patient as penicillin substitute, corynebacterial sepsis and chlamydial infections, etc. Now the mechanism of action of erythromycin or macrolides, it binds with 50S ribosomal subunit of bacterial RNA and prevents or blocks the translocation reaction of bacteria, thus prevents the formation of initiation complex and thus inhibits protein synthesis. Now the adverse effects of erythromycin. GIT adverse effects are anorexia, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea and gastrointestinal intolerance, liver toxicity. Stolate preparation causes cholestatic jaundice, which is a hypersensitivity reaction and also causes drug interactions. Erythromycin is enzyme inhibitor. It inhibits cytochrome P450 enzyme and causes drug interaction, particularly with theophylline, oral anticoagulant, cyclosporin, methylprednisolone and also digoxin. Allergic reactions are fever, eosinophilia and rashes. Now clarithromycin. Clarithromycin is derived from erythromycin by addition of a methyl group and has improved acid stability and oral absorption compared with erythromycin. Clarithromycin and erythromycin are virtually identical with respect to antibacterial activity, except that clarithromycin is more active against Mycobacterium avium complex and it also has activity against Mycobacterium leprae and Toxoplasma gondii. The longer half-life of clarithromycin compared with erythromycin permits twice daily dosing. The dose is 250 to 500 mg twice daily or 1000 mg of expanded release formulation once daily. Clarithromycin penetrates most tissues well. It is metabolized in the liver. The major metabolite also has antibacterial activity. Clarithromycin has drug interactions similar to those described for erythromycin, and it is excreted in urine. The advantages of clarithromycin compared with erythromycin are lower incidence of gastrointestinal intolerance and less frequent dosing. Now, azithromycin. Azithromycin is a semi-synthetic derivative of erythromycin by addition of methylated nitrogen to the lactone ring. Its spectrum of activity and clinical uses are identical to those of clarithromycin. Azithromycin differs from erythromycin and clarithromycin mainly in pharmacokinetic properties. Specially active against chlamydia, also active against Mycobacterium avium complex, Mycobacterium leprae, Toxoplasma gondii and Haemophilus influenza. Azithromycin is less active against Streptococcus and Staphylococcus than erythromycin and clarithromycin. The drug penetrates into most tissues except CSF, and tissue concentration exceeds serum concentration by 10 to 100 folds. The drug is slowly released from tissue. Tissue half-life is 2 to 4 days or 50 hours. Elimination half-life is approximately 3 days. Permits once daily dosing and shortening the duration of treatment. Azithromycin have 15 atom lactone ring, does not inhibit enzyme, does not follow zero order kinetics, time dependent bacterial killing, less active than erythromycin and clarithromycin against Staphylococcus and Streptococcus, has binding pockets such as sustained drug release and absorbed rapidly. Now, the difference between erythromycin, clarithromycin and azithromycin. At first, source. Erythromycin is natural and clarithromycin and azithromycin are semi-synthetic. Half-life of erythromycin is 2 hours and that of clarithromycin is 6 hours and azithromycin is 3 days. The dose of erythromycin is 250 to 500 mg, clarithromycin is 250 to 500 mg and azithromycin is 500 mg. Administration by 6 hourly is erythromycin, clarithromycin is 12 hourly and azithromycin single dose daily. Administration and then GIT intolerance is more in case of erythromycin and less in case of clarithromycin and azithromycin. Mode of action: low dose is bacteriostatic and high dose in bactericidal in case of erythromycin, and clarithromycin or azithromycin are bacteriostatic. And spectrum of activity is gram positive in case of erythromycin and clarithromycin, and azithromycin is more gram negative activity. Activity against Corynebacterium diphtheria is more in case of erythromycin, and in case of clarithromycin, activity is more against Mycobacterium avium complex, Mycobacterium leprae, Toxoplasma gondii and Helicobacter pylori. In case of azithromycin, the activity against chlamydia infection, Mycobacterium avium complex, Mycobacterium leprae and Toxoplasma gondii. Lactone ring is 14 atom in case of erythromycin, and in case of clarithromycin it is 16 atom, and in case of azithromycin it is 15 atom. Now, the microsomal enzyme. As erythromycin inhibit microsomal enzyme, clarithromycin also inhibit microsomal enzyme, azithromycin does not inhibit microsomal enzyme. And now the kinetics. Erythromycin does not follow zero order kinetics, clarithromycin follow zero order kinetics, azithromycin does not follow zero order kinetics. Erythromycin is cheap, clarithromycin and azithromycin are costly. Now the drug interaction is more in case of erythromycin, but in case of clarithromycin and azithromycin the drug interaction is less. This is all about today's session. See you in the next session. Allah Hafiz.